What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, just please make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Take a look at all the videos, thumbs up, likes, everything. And let's get straight into this one. So I've got the same old Nike sportswear box. It's just so boring, I don't even want to bother talking about it. Let's get into what's actually in the box. Yeah. Nike Air Max 97 triple black. I actually hate it when they put the shoes in like that. I always like it the left one in first, facing you. Boom. So we got triple black colorway, classic winter pair. Definitely one of the rotation for the winter. For sportswear like tracksuit stuff, winter wear, this is definitely there. So I'll run through the colors quickly. The sole is all black with a white swoosh there. The midsole is all an air bubble, as you know, on the Nike Air Max 97. It is clear, obviously, and then inside is black. Midsole black. Got some material there, black with the black swoosh. We've got some leather, all black. More mesh underneath going all around, which is, you guessed it, black. Then we've got some more, that's the 3M type material. I believe this is a reflective pair, all black. And then on the tongue, the same material. The tongue is again black with the Nike swoosh, and then some nubuck and a Nike swoosh embroidery. Laces, rope laces, and they are black. Inside, again, black. Triple black, classic pair. Not too much to review there. But yeah, I really like them because, you know, plain, simple, good pair for the winter. A lot of people like these, you know, all black. If they get dirty, it doesn't really show much. And no one wants to be wearing all whites, especially with mesh and stuff like that in the winter. Really good pair. I don't tend to wear 97s much, but you know, I'll give them another go for the 15th time because I don't really like the way they fit on my foot, but that's just a me problem. So it's 95s all the way for me, but I already got a pair and I wanted something a bit different, so I went for this pair. But yeah, that's all for me for today. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Wait a few seconds, you'll see a non-foot video. And take care, my people.
PIZZAAAAA